在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。这个月呢，我们教大家这个词叫做最喜欢。What is your favorite something or what do you like most？ 最喜欢，先教大家怎么说呢？
亲好，
亲好，记得很亲密又很好的感觉，很好的感觉，就很最喜欢的感觉了。亲好 ，that means my favorite or the thing that I like the most. Let's say you're at a restaurant, you gotta have a favorite dish. 其实今天要讲到吃的我最喜欢吃了，但不是要教最喜欢吃，是要最喜欢吃什么东西好了。去吃一家餐厅完了之后，可能会问朋友啊，你刚刚吃，你觉得你最喜欢哪一道菜啊？好不好？尤其客家菜，
每一道都好吃啊！客家小炒一定要吃啊！
也不错，姜丝大肠也是我喜欢的。好了，我们现在就来 put you in the scenario. You're at a restaurant. You're asking your friend like, "What was your favorite dish that you just had?" Okay? 这间餐厅不错吧 ？This is a nice restaurant, isn't it?
亚件传堂，
亚件传堂，
杭州的吼，
杭州的吼，
亚件传堂，杭州的吼，
所以餐厅叫做
传堂。
传堂 ，OK, that actually means a restaurant. And 杭州的吼就是还不错 ，that means not bad at all, right? Yes, I agree. The chef actually cooks up some great dishes, right? 这师傅煮的菜很好吃。
亚师傅，
亚师傅
煮嘅菜，
煮嘅菜，
懂好吃。
嘿，懂好吃，好吃，好吃，好吃。
嘿，所以呢，餐厅好吃的话，表示师傅会煮嘛。
对，
所以你看，这师傅煮的菜多好吃。师傅煮嘅菜懂好吃。
对。好，那我最喜欢吃它的就是客家小炒啦。
真的哦。
Yes, my favorite dish is the Hakka stir fry.
爱青好吃。
爱青好吃。
自己客家炒肉。
自己客家炒肉。OK, 客家就是客家，炒肉炒肉的意思了哈。OK, that is the Hakka stir fry, very famous dish that you have to have if you never did. OK, 非常棒，如果你没吃过的话，你真的是 miss 掉太多东西了。OK. All right, let's review some of these phrases, such as a restaurant, 餐厅，
传堂，
传堂 and then the chef, 师傅，
师傅，
师傅 and then the Hakka stir fry, 客家小炒，
客家炒肉，
客家炒肉 gotta have that, okay? It's all about asking you what do you like the most, 最喜欢，
亲好，
亲好 and now you know, I'm hungry, I'm very hungry. That does it for today's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什么大家？
汉字 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.